Charles here from Charles & Keys, back for another exclusive home tour with you guys. We are at Livia today. We are located at Pasir, District 18. This condo TOP in 2011 with a balance lease of 82 years. It's developed by CDL and Hong Leong itself. It boasts full condo facilities. I'm very excited to share with you the unit today because the unit itself comes with a 2-bed, 2-bath plus study, 915 square feet, high floor, north-south facing, and I can't wait to show you guys, newly renovated. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Did you know that Coco Palms and NV residents, despite TOPing in 2018 and 2013, share the same lease balance as Livia? It has a balance lease of 82 years. Not only that, Palette and Dines, which TOP in 2015 and 2017 lease, starts from 2010. The reason is because the developer bought the entire plot at the time and slowly released the projects across the years. Thus, from a resale standpoint, a Renovated in Livia, which boasts such an attractive size, is an attractive consideration. Alright, so we're in the unit right now. This is a 915 square feet, 2-bed, 2-bath plus study. The owner spent about $70,000 in renovation 3 years ago. So if you come in here, you got a very nice grand foyer area to enter. Over on the left here, we have carpentry space for your shoes. At the same time over here, this is more for a DB box and also storage space to put all your cleaning essentials. Look at this spacious living room itself. So the best part about it is you do get north-south orientation. So this is south, the main door faces north, and we are pure south itself, so we do get a lot of natural wind. And overall, because we're on a high floor, you can see the unit is very bright itself. And then if you go over here, there's already cove lighting on the wall on the top left here. And then a cozy sofa which links nicely with very done decking for the balcony area as well. Alright, we're in the balcony now. You can see that there's a very beautiful deck tub already. And we do get a very nice view of the whole entire condo facilities. Over there behind me is the pool. Really very nice way to unwind and just chill. Alright, welcome to this beautiful enclosed kitchen. So it's rare that 2 bedrooms comes with enclosed kitchen, but this one does. The good thing is that over here it comes with a glass sliding door as well, so you cook up a storm, no problem at all against all the smell. Nice double sink here with a water filter and the sink tap here. Over here they've removed the glass to make it open concept to link nicely to the dining area, but if you do want to install it back, no problem at all. Washing rack for all your dishes to hang your dish clothes here. Fridge space over here. The owner already changed it into an induction, but if you do want to change it to gas, no problem at all because the gas pipe is still there. Previously it was the gas stove itself. Oven over here, a lot of storage space, and the best part is that they installed this washing machine cupboard here. There's a very nice touch. Alright guys, welcome to the common room now. We're over here. You can see that it's very spacious. The owner uses it as their own study area. One desk over here, one desk over here. So there's ample space itself, and the best part of our room is that there's no built-in fixture itself, so you can customize it to your own needs. A bit more about the unit itself is that the owner already redid the air condition and the piping itself, so it's all brand new, only 3 years old. Comes with a ceiling fan with air room and a beautiful grey color wall over here, and you do get a nice view of the overlooking here. This is south facing itself. This sitting area is very nice to chill as well. You can put more carpentry here of like storage space or just a chill out area just to look out at the awesome pool view. The best part of the unit is that they redo the entire toilet, so it's fully renovated with all the wet works done. It comes with all the new fittings as well. You can see that it comes with a rain shower, so not only does the master has it, the common also have a rain shower and comes naturally ventilated with a window at the side there. Alright guys, so welcome to the master bedroom itself. Look at how spacious itself, very well lit. You have windows on the here and also a balcony right over here. This side is facing south, this side is facing east, so you do get a lot of natural wind coming in itself. Ceiling fan array installed, and the best part about it is the ceiling height is 2.8 meters. This is a queen size bed. You can easily put a king size bed, no problem at all. Cupboard space is on the right over here, and the floor comes with parquet flooring, really very nice touch to it. Right here, we do get a bay window over here with vinyl already installed here. So it can be a nice place to sit down, unwind and relax, or even read a book, or even put it as more storage space as well. And then if you go over here where the balcony is at, this extra space has already been decked out already, so you can put like to dry your clothes, put a seating area here to just wind down, read a book before you sleep as well. So that's the best part about the unit as well. Alright guys, welcome to the master bathroom. Now you can see that the owner really did a full renovation for the entire bathroom itself. Redo of the tiling itself, whole new appliances as well, whole new shower fittings, etc. So you can see that it's very nice designer taste from Australian imported Mir as well. They already installed carpentry space like cupboard space at the back here to put all of your storage needs. They even installed a wall hung toilet over here from Gerber. At the same time also there is a little electrical point here for all your electrical needs. And the best part about it, come on, check it out. I'll show you this shower itself. It is 2 rain showers. We got 2 rain showers so you can, and both different water temperature. So you can shower one side with your his and then one side with your hers. Yeah, at the same time, this is a nice seating area, so you can even just unwind itself here. You are pleased to know that Livia comes with full condo facilities. It comes with 4 swimming pools, a 50-meter lap pool, leisure pool, kids pool, and even an Aqua Gym. Decked out with function room, barbecue pits, and entertainment room, and not 1 but 2 tennis courts. It comes with a gym with sauna as well. There is also a 900-meter jogging track, and it has a side gate access that directly leads to the park connector that can bring you all the way to Pasir Park. The best part about this unit is that it is only 10 minutes walk to Pasir MRT. The block is also located very near to the side gate along Pasir Drive 1, whereby if you are lazy to walk, you can just take 1 bus stop to Pasir MRT. We are poised for transformation as the future Cross Island line is at Pasir MRT, which will be ready in 2030, making it even more accessible. For drivers, it is very conveniently located along Pasir Drive 1, making it easy access to TPE, which connects you to the major expressway. An airport is just only 12 minutes drive away. You are pleased to know that you are just walking distance to the newest Pasir Mall and White Sands Mall, where there's loads of amenities to choose from. You are spoilt for choice as you have Cold Storage, NTUC Fair Price and Scarlett Supermarket to choose from. Not only that, there is also Elias Mall which has Shiong. For quick groceries, there is a mini mart just across the road of the condominium itself. Further down, you got Pasir Hawker Centre and the Sports Centre for all your weekend activities. And you are also a short drive to Pasir Beach and downtown east for a weekend getaway. Parents, you are pleased to know that you have loads of primary school options to choose from. Within 1 km, we have Elias Park Primary, Meridian Primary, and Parkview Primary, with Elias Park Primary just across the road from Livia. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the viewing and hope you like what you see. This unit won't be on the market for long, so if you're interested to arrange an exclusive viewing, feel free to call me. My name is Charles, my number is below. Look forward to seeing you next time.